guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny Vlog. You're welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how these children don't come in. I'm going to be showing you guys how my head is old. I'm going to remove it very soon. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare. Oh God. I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare yam porridge. So I'm going to be preparing yam porridge today. So I just say let me carry you guys along for you guys to see how to prepare yam porridge, in case you haven't seen it before. So just stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning and to the ending. And also help your girl to subscribe to this channel, and also help me to turn on the bell button so that whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. That's why that bell button is very important. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Also thank you for that like. Help me to be liking the video. So let's go straight to the video. So these are all the stuff that I'm going to be working with today. So let me bring the yam. So these are all the things. So I'm having 1.5 yam here. I think I'm going to be working with this one, I'm going to be working with this. So this is our yam. While this is fresh meat, I'm going to be working with this one. With 1 scubian fish, scent leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice. If you don't have scent leaf, you can skip this. You can use any leaves. If you don't want to add leaves to it, so it's optional, you can just keep this stuff here. So onions and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to be working with one. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing now, I am going to blend my onions. So that's the blender that I'm going to use. So this is the pot that I'm going to be working with. So let me turn on my gas. So pour in my meat. So that's the meat over there. Please give me water. Time to add in water. Add more water to it. Because I'm going to use this water to boil the yam, It's time to add in our seasoning cube, I'm going to be using 1 Maggi cube, So Christopher, give me salt. Salt. That one is enough. So it's time to close. Then we leave the meat to boil, before adding in our fish. So stay tuned. It's ready.
It's like baby.
Open it.
Don't cut your hand, Mommy.
Yes, be careful.
Okay.
slicing this onion to boil the meat. So guys, I am done washing, so I'm going to set it aside. So it's time to check in our meat. The meat is ready, so now I am going to add in our fish. So it's time to add in our yam. Time to add in our blended scotch bonnet pepper with onions. I'll come back in 3 minutes to check on it. Stay tuned. It's time to check on it. So this is it. Let me try to remove the fish. I'm going to be adding in our red oil. That's enough. So, time to add in our scent leaf. Crayfish, blended crayfish. You have to stir. The oil is okay. Everything is okay, so I am going to add in our fish. It's ready. Close a bit. So guys, our yam porridge is ready. So this is it. Let me dish it. Thank you for watching. So this is it. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Support your girl to subscribe. So guys, this is our yam porridge. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, you know. Also help me to be sharing my video. Thank you and bye. Stay safe.